I'm Steve Sams. I'm Vice President of Site and Facility Services for IBM around the world. Let's look at the market trends around server virtualization. And some of the numbers are astounding. First of all, the demand for IT is exploding. IDC estimates that there'll be 82 million servers installed around the world. That's an increase of 49% in the next 3 years. Second of all, IT budgets aren't increasing, so the IT organizations are really struggling with how they provide that increase in demand within their existing budgets. And the third is, as they continue to change, as they continue to be responsive and flexible for the needs of the business, they're challenged on providing these capabilities given fixed budgets and fixed resources. So server optimization services can really help customers in the following ways. The first is we can really help them future-proof their existing facilities to really get more out of the server capacity they already have. When we look at the data, customers are typically using 10% or less of their available server capacity, so they should be able to get lots more out of what they already have. The second thing is we found that in many cases, they have inconsistent approaches around the world, and so there's an opportunity to rationalize and standardize these approaches around the world to make their operations around servers much more efficient. And the third is we really have opportunities to really provide server capacity on an on-demand kind of basis, to really design environments where they buy the capacity or provide the capacity when they really need it. In essence, what we found is that customers have virtualized what one of our engineers calls the easy schmeezy stuff. The 20% of the servers that are file and print servers that are relatively easy to virtualize. The challenge we find is they're stuck on virtualizing and consolidating the remaining 80% of their server environments. So we developed a set of analytics that really help the customers in two ways. The first way is we look at all their workloads and servers and identify a set of 1 of 6 standardized approaches that can be implemented very quickly to virtualize even the most complex server environments. The second way we help them is we've actually automated and created a kind of virtualization manufacturing line that can then virtualize those specific identified workloads very, very quickly against those 6 particular approaches. So we can help clients virtualize even the most complex workloads. And typically we find that using these automation tools and analytical capabilities, we've actually reduced the total cost of doing that by more than 50%. For more information on server virtualization services, please contact your IBM representative or go to the following address.